Right, we are here in Villamartin, and we are going to do Sun Sea, we'll take it away. So we are down here now at Zenia beach from a sea in the sun place to buy something.
Yeah.
Right, so we're here outside places in the sea. Sun in the sand, what's it called?
Sun, sea and selling houses.
Sun, sea and selling houses.
Is it the Rodriguez sisters?
Warning, this video may contain flashing images.
Hello and welcome to A Place in the Sun, where I'm joined by Mrs. Tooth. She is a 51-year-old hospital administrator from Kent in England. What's your budget in the Costa?
I'm just going 90,000 euros.
90,000 euros. And have you got any wiggle room, Mrs. Tooth?
Not this time.
Not this time. So Mrs. Tooth is about the only person ever on A Place in the Sun not to have any wiggle room. We are going to head up and down the Costa, Zenia. We're in Cabo Roig at the moment. And we're going to head around and see if we can find you somewhere to call your dream home, Mrs. Tooth.
Yeah, let's do this.
So tell everyone what it's like to live on this part of the Costa.
It's lovely. It's beautiful. I don't know why no one would want to come here.
And how much does an average property cost?
I don't know. 30 euros plus wiggle room.
Oh, and how much is wiggle room?
About another 90.
90 euros or 90,000?
90,000.
90,000, so we've got a budget of 30 euros plus 90,000 wiggle room, is that right?
Yes.
So for the right property, we can get something you think for 90,000 and 30 euros.
Yes. See you next time on A Place in the Sun.
Famous Smiling Jack's karaoke every day until 1 o'clock in the morning.
Oh yeah.
There you go, Smiling Jack's.
It's quite busy.
All year round. Great for live music, bushwhacker, decent scran.
Scran, for those of you who aren't from Newcastle, means food. Right, so we're here outside places in the sea. Sun in the sand, what's it called?
Sun, sea and selling houses.
Sun, sea and selling houses.
Is it the Rodriguez sisters? There you go.
Right, there you go.
Yeah.
So, next on our tour will be the beach.
A Place in the Sun.
We might pop down to Zenia beach and we will go and see the... Which one is it?
Place in the Sun.
A Place in the Sun.
Yeah,
A Place in the Sun Tower.
Yeah.
And what's her name? Is it Amber or Jasmine or something?
Oh, I don't know.
I don't know. Which one are you going to be?
Me.
And I'll be me. So it's good night from her and it's good night from me. Onwards.
Right, let's just have a look at some of their houses.
What you found, Mrs. Tooth?
I have nothing yet. I don't know, because I don't know what areas they're in. We'd have to come round and go to different areas to see where I'd like to live, and then we can pick a house. Oh yeah, look, you've got a photo of him in the window, look.
So we are down here now at Zenia Beach from a sea in the sun place to buy something.
Yeah.
Yeah,
I'll
that
leave
one.
it as that.
one. And Rob reliably informs me that this is where they have like the Christmas beach. So we was having a look at videos on YouTube, and there are absolutely thousands, would you say, Rob?
Yeah, thousands.
Yeah. People come down on Christmas Day and bring all their sort of kit and everything, and sit down here.
It looks brilliant.
Got all their food and all their drink and everything, and sit down here on Christmas Day. So the whole area is shut down to cars and everything. So we are now going to go and probably up there and find ourselves a little bar. You can see I put Mrs. Tooth next to the dog shit sign. All right, the disabled sign. The disabled sign.
That was where you were supposed to park.
So yeah, we're going to go and stand up there, go and sit up there and get a drink and have a little looky over the side, eh, Rob?
I might push him over the side.
I love you.
We are here in Villamartin and we are going to do Sun Sea Will Take It Away. Our Robbie boy behind the camera there is taking us around today to give us a little showdown of all the places around here that you could come to and have a look, see if you're staying in Alicante region. All right, people, let's go and have a butcher's.
That's a lot of money for that. A lot of house money though, isn't it?
Yeah. Oh, it's quite nice, isn't it? It's a bit like that place we went in, where did we go? In Spain. The Manrique place.
Oh, Pueblo Marinero.
Yeah.
Yeah, that over there on the right hand side used to be a bar. I had my first snog in there. Over on the right hand side there on that side.
Oh, was it? You
Yeah.
get the dog.
So I brought you to a wildcard property on the popular resort of Cabo Roig, which is very familiar to many of our viewers. So why don't you go in and have a look by yourself and see if you get lost. Try not to trip over the Geordie while you're in there.
Okay.
And we'll catch up with you in a minute and you can tell us how bad it smells.
Excellent.
So what's your budget for this property?
About €30,000.
And have you got any wiggle room on that?
Yeah, for the right property, 90,000.
Oh, so is that 120 in total?
Yeah, go on then.
So basically, you can afford as much as you like. And what would you like for your 30,000? Would you told us that you wanted 5 bedrooms, 5 bathrooms, private pool, indoor outdoor living space, unimpeded views of the Mediterranean, maid, lack of Geordies,
some lemon trees,
trees. And yes, €30,000 to spend on that.
Yeah.
But for the right property, you'd be prepared to go up to 90,000.
Yeah.
120,000.
Yeah.
1.5 million.
We'll see if you find me the right property.
Okay, Mrs. Tooth, what did you think about this property then?
It was nice. I don't know if it's for me.
Okay, well, I've got one surprise that might be able to turn this one around. Would you like to go and see it?
Yeah. Yeah.
So, Mrs. Tooth, this is the communal pool that comes with the property.
Yeah, it's nice. Nice size.
That means that you can swim amongst everybody else's wee. What do you think about that?
Fantastic. Where do I sign?
Mrs. Tooth is sold on the wee point. It's always the wee point that makes the difference, people.
It is.
Always the wee point. Right, folks, really hope you've enjoyed that video. If you have, check out another one up here.